Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can link your money.com with SharePoint. So there isn't any direct automation available within money.com to link to SharePoint, so you would have to use a third-party tool called Zapier. Now go to Zapier, press this great button on the top left corner, press Zaps. It will open up a new page, and on this page, then this editor page, you will be able to integrate money.com with SharePoint. So here you get two options. You get a trigger option and an action option. In trigger, you have to select the app from which you want to send data to another app. Let's say I want to send data from Monday to SharePoint, so I will select Monday as trigger, and then I will select SharePoint as action. So simply click on trigger, and here you have to search for the app. I'm going to search for Monday, and I am going to select monday.com. It will open up a side panel. Here we would have to select an event. I am going to select new board as an event, but you have to select any event according to your need. So what is going to happen is whenever there is a new board added in my money.com account, it will trigger this automation. Alright, so I'm just gonna press continue, and it will ask me to sign into my money.com account. It will ask me to connect my money.com account with Zapier. Simply press sign in, and Zapier will ask you to provide your API v2 token, which you can access by your money.com account. Simply copy that token, paste it here, press continue to money.com, and once you've done that, your money.com account will be connected with Zapier. Now you have to click on action, and in action you have to search for the other app, which in this case is SharePoint. So I'm gonna search for SharePoint. I'm gonna select Microsoft SharePoint, and in the event, select any event that you want to perform. I want to select create list item. So what will happen in this automation, in this particular one that I created, is whenever there is a new board in money.com, it will automatically create a list item in Microsoft SharePoint. Alright, so I'm gonna press continue, and it will ask me to sign into my SharePoint. Press sign in. Again, a new window will open up, and as you can see, it is asking you to provide your subdomain of your SharePoint. Simply add your subdomain and press continue to Microsoft SharePoint. Once you've done that, your SharePoint account will be connected with Zapier, and that is pretty much it. So this is all you need in order to connect monday.com with Microsoft SharePoint. Now you just have to press this publish button on the top right corner, and your automation will be set up and working. So this is how you integrate monday.com with SharePoint. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.